Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uFikile Mbalula uthi umshini okhiqiza amakhadi emvume yokushayela kuleli walimala ngonyaka odlule, into eholele ekululweni kwesikhathi sokuvuselela kuze kube sekupheleni kaMarch.
It has been fixed as we speak. We have already shipped it to Germany. It's been fixed. But in the interim, we will introduce the new measures.
Kodwa inhlangano elwela amalungelo ezakhamizi zakuleli i-outer ithi lokho akuyigculisi neze.
To find out that we only have one machine in this country, and when it breaks down, it takes months to get fixed. To have to ship this machine off overseas, it just doesn't make sense.
Phambilini i-outer yathi kumele kube nohlelo olusha lokunikezwa kwezimvume zokushayela kuleli. Ungqongqoshe uMbalula uthi lokho kuzokwenzeka ngaphambi kokuphela konyaka.
I'm introducing a new card that doesn't need to go to Germany to be fixed. Okay? That's what I'm doing. Now, where is the hurdle? I'm supposed to go to cabinet. First cabinet now, when it sits this year, I will be on the door of cabinet, presenting to cabinet the new machine. I'm done with the security features with SSA.
Amakhulu ezinkulungwane abashayeli abancela izithupha sikhuluma nje. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.